Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Guide Up. Today I will show you how to recover your SoundCloud password. If you forget your SoundCloud password, there are a couple of things that you can do next. Firstly, you can reset it by tapping on Forget Password on the login screen, then follow the on-screen instructions to reset it. However, if you are already logged in into SoundCloud, you might be wondering how you can see your SoundCloud password in the app without having to reset it. After all, seeing your SoundCloud password is better alternative than resetting it. So let's not waste the time and see how it is done. First, you need to navigate to your Google account in your phone settings. So open your setting app and then scroll down to the bottom, and here you will see the Google option right above Realme Lab. Tap on Google. Once you tap on Google, you will see your Gmail account, and below your Gmail account you will see Manage your Google account. Tap on that, and then you will see a navigation bar below your Gmail profile picture. Scroll right and tap on Security. Once you tap on Security, again scroll down and you will see the Password Manager option in the Signing into Other Sites section. Tap on that. Once you tap on that, you will see different apps there. Scroll down and choose SoundCloud. Once you tap on SoundCloud, you will need to verify your identity by either entering your passcode or using your fingerprint. So go ahead and do that. Once you do that, you can recover your password here. Hope this video was helpful for you. Please don't forget to like and share the video and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.